Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming access and format. This matters because Excel needs a downloadable XLSX file. Once done, open the Google Sheet you want and inspect visible tabs. Make sure large ranges don't include hidden helper columns. Next, remove volatile formulas if possible, because Excel may interpret them differently. Then choose whether to export one tab or all tabs as a workbook, since that choice affects file structure, and whether you keep intersheet references intact. Now export. From the Sheet menu, select File, Download Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This produces a native Excel workbook, translating sheets, simple formulas, and most formats. If you prefer Drive, right-click the file and download, same result. Make sure to inspect dates and currencies after export, because regional settings can shift formats. Also, be aware complex Google-only formulas may convert to static values, therefore, copy and paste values for anything you expect to break. Open the XLSX in Excel and review every tab. Once done, correct any formula errors that resulted from Google-only functions. Make sure to reapply conditional formatting and data validation rules that did not survive the export. If you find formatting or locale issues, save problematic sheets as CSV and re-import using Excel's text import wizard to control delimiters and character encoding. One tip: if values scramble, check Excel's regional settings and import using UTF-8.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.